bitter green veggie might make your face scrunch up, but don't judge it just yet. Bitter gourd juice is one of the healthiest drinks you can make, especially if you're fighting high blood sugar, inflammation, or unwanted fat. Let's find out what makes this bitter brew so powerful, while I show you how to make it at home. Number 1. Blood sugar control. One of bitter gourd's standout benefits is its ability to help regulate blood sugar levels. It contains a natural compound that mimics insulin, improving how your body uses glucose and helping to reduce spikes in blood sugar. That's why it's often used as a natural remedy for type 2 diabetes. Number 2. Packed with nutrients. Bitter gourd is low in calories, but high in vital nutrients. It's a great source of vitamin C, an antioxidant that boosts immunity and promotes healthy skin. Vitamin A supports eye health. Folate, important for cell function and tissue growth. Plus, it's rich in fiber, which helps digestion and prevents constipation. Number 3. Antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. Bitter melon is loaded with antioxidants like catechin, epicatechin, and chlorogenic acid. These compounds help neutralize harmful free radicals, reducing oxidative stress, which is linked to aging and many chronic diseases. It also exhibits anti-inflammatory properties that may help reduce symptoms of arthritis and other inflammatory conditions. Number 4. Weight loss and metabolism boost. Trying to shed a few pounds? Bitter gourd may help. Its low-calorie and high-fiber content helps you feel full longer. Some studies even suggest it may enhance fat metabolism and reduce fat storage, aiding in weight management. Number 5. May reduce cholesterol and heart risks. Preliminary research indicates that bitter gourd can help lower LDL, bad cholesterol, and triglycerides, promoting better heart health. Its anti-inflammatory properties also contribute to a healthier cardiovascular system. Number 6. Cancer-fighting potential. Some lab studies suggest bitter gourd extracts can inhibit the growth of cancer cells, including in liver, colon, and breast cancer models. While more human studies are needed, the initial findings are promising. How to drink it and who should avoid. You can drink 1/2 cup of bitter gourd juice in the morning on an empty stomach, but start small. If you're on diabetes meds, talk to your doctor first. Pregnant women and people with low blood sugar should avoid it. And yes, it's an acquired taste, but your body will thank you. It may be bitter, but the benefits are sweet. Would you give bitter gourd juice a try? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health-packed videos like this.